Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be for those of you who like to be in the financial field or kind of work with accounts receivable and the financial stuff. The company Uninet is hiring someone to process payments. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share if you're interested in reading the reviews or putting that application in is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Uninet has 90 reviews on Glassdoor. They do, out of those 90 reviews, have a good rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring an accounts payable specialist, and it says they're hiring anywhere in the United States, so they don't have any state restrictions. But they are basically looking for somebody to record cash activity, including deposits, cash receipts, and cash disbursements into the system, working with the internal accounting team to resolve any questions or open matters related to cash. You're going to process customer payments daily. You're going to own the whole accounts payable and accounts receivable process, including vendor setup, obtaining the vendor bill approvals, coding and posting vendor bills in their system, and setting up the ACH and wire disbursements. You'll manage the AP inbox, organize the vendor and internal email requiring action, and communicate timely with those vendors regarding their payment status. So this job is all about processing those payments. Now, best thing about this, a lot of accounts receivable jobs would require some kind of education in accounting or finance. This one does not. They require that you have 4 years of accounts payable experience, but no degrees are required. They do want somebody who has prior experience with different accounting software solutions, someone who can be accountable, dependable, and detail-oriented, and someone who can collaborate with team members but also work reliably independently. If this is something you're interested in, pay for this is always going to be dependent on experience, location, all of those things, but it is paying anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year. If you like finance or payment posting, accounts payable, accounts receivable jobs, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if this job lead was not suitable for you, let me know in the comments specifically what you're looking for or what kind of field you're looking in. I do read those comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.